Hello everybody, welcome back to Mr. B channel. In this video we're gonna try a game called Hill Dash 2 on a DeX station. This game became available about 2, maybe 3 days ago. And let's see how it's gonna perform. I've already done a bit of gaming of this game on my phone while was waiting for bus and stuff. Okay. Alright, so arrow right is go forward, arrow left is brake. So keyboard is working. So let's see how I'm performing. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes, go for it. Obviously my truck is already a bit upgraded because like I said, I've done a bit of gaming. Okay, land. That was a rough landing. Okay, no. That's not good. Come on. Right, let's go back. Yes, get some speed. And up the hill. Checkpoint. And I need to go up the mountain because there is a fuel up there. Will I collect this coin? Yes. And I run out of... Okay, out of fuel. That's great. Yes. So I have... Right, I can get the grip for free if I watch the ad, which I will do. Wow. Is that the real game? Legacy Discord. Legacy Discord. I might check that game out. It's called Legacy Discord. Just in case. For me not to forget. Note. So I'll check that game out. Anyway, I watched the ad. Go away. Oh, right. I think I already played this game. Anyway, let's install this while I'm recording this. So how to exit this? Okay, so hold on. I watched the video ad. Alright, I pressed escape on the keyboard. So I get an upgrade for free. Just for watching an ad. So I have 285, whatever that thing is. Speed or sand tires. More speed. Go. Right, let's try to win this time. A bit laggy. It's possibly because I'm downloading the game in the background. You never know. Go. A lot of laggy. Alright. Legacy already downloaded and a shortcut on the screen. Yes. Go for it. Oh no. Okay. Will you go up the hill now? God damn it. I've got so much power, so much speed, and I still can't get up the hill. I think I need to upgrade the tires. Yes, let's go up the hill. Okay, don't do any stupid flips. Yes, fuel. Okay. And up the loop and through a finish line. Second place, I'll take it. An ad now. Baseball boy. What's this? No, I don't want to download this game. 225. All right, I need to race until I win. Okay, I have an idea. After the loop, when there's a big jump, I'll brake, and I'm gonna then hopefully be a number 1. So go up the hill. Yes, collect all these coins. So yeah, after this loop, I don't need to be super fast. Yes, that's the way. Yes, let's go for it. Checkpoint reached. Hopefully I will win this race now. Oh, let's go. Go. New record. Okay, 400. What you upgrade? Sand tires only available. So can I choose tropical 2? Let's do one more. Don't tell me that. Okay, I don't think if I'm gonna win. He's got a sports car. Okay, it is. Oh, bugger. Lost. Yes, continue. Let's try again. Go. Okay, his car is much faster and whatever. What the hell? Okay. Okay. Let's go one more time. Let's do this. Okay. Oh no. Don't do this. One more time. Oh no. What the hell? Yes. One minute, 2 seconds. The last one. Last attempt. Oh no. Oops. And that was Hill Dash 2 on a DeX station controlled with a keyboard. You're welcome. Don't forget to click like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Bye bye.